Welcome to the 10th and last lecture of the 4th iteration of the Plutus Pioneer Program, and congratulations to all of you that made it this far. By now, you should have a solid understanding of the underlying programming model of doing smart contracts on Cardano, namely the extended UTXO model, the eUTXO model, and you have learned about Plutus, about its uses for validators, but also for minting policies and for staking. You have learned how to test smart contracts, and you have seen how to query the blockchain and construct transactions to interact with your smart contracts. So in particular, in the last lecture, we saw a full end-to-end example of a simple algorithmic stablecoin that ties everything that you've learned before together. This iteration has been quite different to previous iterations of this course due to the impressive and exciting changes that have happened in the meantime. In previous iterations, we had to rely almost exclusively on IoG technologies because the technology was so new that basically no other projects had had a chance to provide their own tooling. This has changed dramatically now, which is very exciting, I think, and we made full use of that in this iteration. So instead of using the PAB to construct transactions, we used third-party tools like Kuber and Lucid. There are many more third-party tools that we could have talked about, but didn't for lack of time. So for this 10th lecture, we decided to do something different and open the floor and invite other projects that have built interesting, useful tooling on Cardano. So we invited them to create short videos where they can present and introduce their projects and tell you about it. We have Mesh.js and Plutus, which allow you to do various off-chain and DApp related operations in TypeScript. We have Opshin, which allows you, combined with PyCardano, to develop Plutus smart contracts in Python. We have Icon, which is an exciting new programming language to write your smart contracts in. And we have Plutarch, which is an alternative to constructing Plutus script. So another Haskell library different to Plutus TX that allows you to write very performant Plutus contracts. So I hope you will enjoy these presentations. And I also hope that after this course, you will put what you have learned to use and work on your own projects. And we are very excited to see what you will come up with. And we hope that you will stay active in the Discord community and maybe also have a look in the next iteration of this course, where probably there will be exciting new things again to talk about. So thank you once again for your attention and your interest in this course, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.